about the love of God. And this is the Bible. B-I-B-L-E. Bible. Okay? Children, Bible. This is Lucas Bible. B-I-B-L-E. Okay? See? What's that? Jesus loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, they are precious. Mama, go to work. Later, come back, Mama. They are precious in His sight. Jesus loves the little children of the world. See? Okay? Where's John 3:16? John 3:16. For God, saan na yun? So loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. John 3:16. Okay? Joshua 1:9 here in the Old Testament. Joshua 1:9. Don't be afraid. Be of good courage. Yeah. For God is with you wherever you go.